The journey of the American onion begins here, under the dramatic glow of the sunrise.
Farm source and lot number, harvest date, transport hygiene, temperature and trailer condition are recorded. Onions slide out slowly to prevent bruising.
Flow speed is adjusted by operators.
Vibrating hoppers spread onions evenly. Cameras scan onions for severe rot, foreign objects. Automatic air nozzles eject rejects. Time of unloading. Farm ID. Weight processed. Ensures full traceability for food safety audits. Immediately transferred to steam or air peeling systems. Onions move into a fully enclosed stainless steel pressure chamber. Doors seal automatically to prevent steam loss. Ensures even contact with slicing blades.
Perfect slices move immediately to dehydration belts.
First will be plaster.